next morning, and there are too many cool cars in the shop that are paying Travis to make them epic. The Jeep can't go in the shop anymore. So we are gonna push this thing out into the parking lot. Are we? Yeah, I think we are. Bro, 37s. Oh, is the e-brake on?
No.
And we're gonna pull the rest of these doors off this thing. So let's get the rest of this pulled off of the Jeep. All right, doors off. Next, we're gonna chop that off. But what we wanna see is, with these doors off, do we really need new shocks or not? Because these shocks are so toast, but with that extra 100+ pounds gone, maybe it'll do better. All right, let's test this out. Here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Come on. It's probably water. There we go. Each time we got to do this for right now. Probably put a seatbelt on now that you don't have a door.
Nothing to hold me in.
Just don't hit that hole as hard as you did last time.
I want to see if it bounces better with that.
Yeah. I love having rigs that don't have doors. But I think, oh, those are big. We'll have to go slow on those.
Do a little rock crawling.
Few methods we're gonna try to get these windows out. Pry bar, a razor blade, and a sawzall. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
All right. Now
we just take that sawzall and go right through there.
this makes me happy.
And then we leave this intact as much as we can.
Yeah.
And then
Fold
we
it over.
cut it here and we go straight across. Same thing on the back, and it's a truck.
Sounds so easy. Let's do this.
Let's make it a truck.
Yeah. One corner down.
Oh, here we go.
We need to clean this up first. We had some pizza delivered. We're gonna take a break before we cut the very top off. So for Matt's Off-Road Games, they keep talking about a jalopy Jeep, a jalopy Jeep, a jalopy Jeep. But what do we want?
We want a jalopy Jeep truck.
Okay. See you guys at the games. We decided we still wanted a truck bed. Tailgate, so we put it back on. All right, we finally have got some time. And now, what are we gonna do right now?
We're going to pull the fuel injectors off and put them through our fuel injector cleaner.
And I think I'm gonna go and try to find something to replace the dead cat that's our air filter right now.
Yeah. We have got the fuel rail out, have the injectors on there. Take this top know. It's kind of like a carb style for like a modern intake. Very interesting. You know, I'm not a big Dodge guy, but got that off. Injectors off. So we're gonna pull them off the rail, put them through the cleaner, clean them up.
Success. All right, so I got these injectors off, and look at that. These guys are so nasty. I'm not even sure this thing's gonna be able to clean them. So we'll see. We'll hook them in, see how it goes. Out with the old, in with the new. But are we just gonna throw them straight into the Jeep?
No.
No.
We are gonna make sure they actually work because they were Chinese injectors that were super cheap.
Yeah, but we're pretty sure all injectors come from China anyways.
Yeah.
So we're testing them out anyways. These suckers we're keeping on hand just in case, but man, these are still so
Backups.
bad. All right, we'll see. Hey-o!
All right, guys. So we got under the hood done, injectors on, new intake for it. So now gotta do the gas line. Didn't have a fuel filter, so we're gonna throw in a little universal inline fuel filter. Gotta cut this guy off, reconnect it, splice it, put it in, done. Should be pretty fast, hopefully.
So this is straight. If the Jeep logo goes up and down, we're going straight. Bro.
All right.
This thing is crazy.
We're definitely gonna forget about that.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh, it like sways.
Oh yeah, we need new oh yeah, let's get that on. We need new shocks, I think. Look at this.
Oh, I don't think. Is it driving better than last time?
So much better. Yeah, so much better, actually. Okay, let's put our tires up on some stuff, yeah?
Yeah.
We gonna go off this ledge?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, here we go. This?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh man.
Dude, we're riding 45, baby.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Stripping.
Maybe I should have put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, we got this. Man.
Oh, let's go.
We're going the other way.
Oh, yeah. Seatbelt on.
We're going up and over.
Seatbelt. Oh, no, it's not stuck anymore.
We only have two-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive. Will we make it?
We are going to make it. Look at this thing. We will not make it.
Not a good look for the games.
No. We need to go put the drive shaft in for four-wheel drive. Oh, shoot. All right. We got this, though. Dude.
Let's go.
Running.
Running good.
So much smoother. One more little.
Just a little lip,
one.
little berm.
Yeah, just a little berm. Like it was nothing. Bro. Leg out.
Get some good airflow, you know. Get some good airflow.
Dude, I am stoked on this thing. Oh, okay. Drive shaft.
Yeah, there's our drive shaft for the four-wheel drive. I think that needs to go in.